Did you know that millions are making real money online with AI, no tech skills required? Imagine turning your laptop into a cash machine, starting today. In this video, you'll discover 3 powerful AI tools anyone can use to start earning online. No coding, no tech headaches. Ready to see how? Let's get into it. AI isn't just for developers or big tech companies anymore. With the right tools, can create content, launch services, and start earning fast. These platforms are simple, affordable, and built for people who want to hustle smart, not hard. And best of all, no coding needed. Let's start with the one you've probably heard of. Think of it as your on-demand writer, marketer, and brainstorm partner, all in one. You can use ChatGPT to write blog posts, emails, product descriptions, or even generate niche content ideas. Want to make money directly? Create and sell high-quality prompts on platforms like PromptBase, or use ChatGPT to offer freelance writing services without being a professional writer. The key: learn how to ask smart questions and refine the output with a human touch. Next up, this tool turns long-form text into short, engaging videos, complete with stock footage, subtitles, and voiceovers. Upload a script or blog post, choose your visuals, and Pictory does the rest. You can create faceless content for YouTube, Instagram Reels, or TikToks. People are making money by offering this as a service, or using it to grow their own audience. It's visual storytelling made simple. And finally, meet your instant web developer. Durable builds entire business websites in under a minute. Yes, a full website. Just type in the business type and it handles layout, text, design, and even the contact form. If you're a freelancer, this is a game changer. Offer quick site setups to small businesses or local service providers, or use it to launch your own brand without hiring a designer or touching a line of code. Now, a few quick tips before you dive in. Add your personal touch to any AI-generated content. Don't just copy and paste. Edit, improve, and make it yours. Use these tools ethically, and be honest with clients about AI assistance if needed. The magic happens when work together. So to recap, ChatGPT for smart writing and freelance gigs, Pictory AI for video creation and content marketing, Durable AI for fast, beautiful websites, no tech skills, no learning curve, just smart tools and smart hustle. Which tool will you try first? Drop it in the comments below. And if this video helped you, give it a like and hit that subscribe button. There's more coming every week. This is where AI meets your ambition.